Here's how to make a modern, unique style of boom bap beat on FL Studio. Let's jump straight in. As always, we're going to start with our bass notes, and we're going to need a bass sound for this. I've decided to use the Chrome Reese bass, which is one of my favorite sounds from my plugin Grain X4. And to add a little ambience to this sound, I want to layer this with a lead sound, but not just a plain repetitive lead. I decided to use this sound from Grain X4, which is a morph preset. Essentially, this uses LFOs to modulate the morph so that this plays different samples at different times. Essentially, this morph mode is modulated by an LFO to continuously switch between which of these samples is being played, which creates this dope glitchy texture. This is great for adding life to the track. Now, while we're using synths, I wanted this to have real elements to it. So I created this lead pattern, but used this pad sound that sounds like a flute. Here's how all three of these elements sound together. Now we're going to fill this out more. I found this dope saxophone loop on Splice and decided to drag it in and start chopping it up. I also found this dope melody loop again from Splice. And then routed this to a mixer track where I added a ton of effects, specifically portal, thermal, and some reverb. It sounds horrible, but we then exported this and chopped it up to use later in the beat. Finally, we had this vocal sample and added some thermal and portal presets again to this. We then exported this into its own file, where we were able to chop this up into different sections. And when you add these all together, we get this. Now it's time for our drums. You can use any sounds you want, but I use sounds all from my Listen Up drum kit, which has over 200 sounds, all broken down into the different genres: boom bap, Brazilian funk, house, trap, you name it. I laid down this kick pattern, added this snare, added another snare, a closed hat, and an open hat. I then routed these all to one mixer track, where I added this thermal just to boost the drums a bit, making them hit harder and sound more full. I also added this crazy thermal preset called Rhythm Stomp, but this was only so that I could create a perk loop sound and doesn't play when the main drums are hitting. This is what this sounds like. Then once we level all the sounds, we need to make sure to add a soft clipper on the master to give it that distorted sound that you commonly hear in hip hop and pop music. And that's how to make a modern hip hop beat on FL Studio. Here's how the final beat sounds. By the way, if you want to check out Grain X4, which was a plugin I use for all of the sounds in this beat, then make sure to check out the link in the description where it's 70% off. Also, you'll find a link for the drum kit if you want to access this.